don't expect to stay clean if you're going to be a potter, because it's very, I'd never wear any jewelry. But you're just going to dip it in this glaze. Now, I can either dip this side in that same glaze, or I can dip it in another color. And where they overlap, it will be another color. So actually with two colors, sometimes you will have your third color. This is actually called Jensen Blue. It's a very pretty blue. So I think probably what I'll do is just go ahead and finish it in that blue. Sometime I put another color over the top of it and it runs, and that's a very popular glaze too. But this will turn out blue.